good freaking morning or night, wherever the heck you are, and happy Hype Friday. I don't know, I just came up with that. I mean, every Friday is hype, but, you know. Today, we are going to SoCal Superbikes to get the baby dynoed and see some freaking numbers. If you subscribe right now, I'll do a wheelie for you. Baby. Got another biker there. That's sick. I don't like being on this side separated, because I never know if like my exit's gonna come and go, or it's gonna go a different way. I've already gotten, not lost, but it was up there, and it took me over there, and it was like 31 minutes added to my GPS, and I was like, what the fudge? So I just made an illegal U-turn. I mean, illegal U-turn. I've been working on my drop back, baby. What got into me, but literally like a flick of a light switch, I had the confidence, I had the confidence to literally pull the bike back, hit balance point, and really get comfortable there. Is Mama she's smiling? She's smiling. She gave me the head nod. She approved. Dude, what? I just did a wheelie in Cali and 2 people are already smiling. I do wheelies out my way, I get people calling the cops. Just gonna scoot on by. Yeah, I'm not messing with them boys. Nope, I already got pulled over once. I'm okay. Yeah, they literally pulled me over pretty much to look at my bike. They honestly just asked me questions about my bike. I'm like, what did you stop me for? It's so cool because I can't see shit. You know what? I'm gonna chill back here. You keep doing your thing here. I'm gonna do my thing. I got 2 lanes all to myself for like a half mile. I ain't complaining. I'm not complaining. Dixon Bro would be so proud of me. Oh my gosh. He's been waiting for this moment for so long. Shit, I need to take my exit. Can someone tell me why? I've been wondering this. Why does the highway go like this in Cali? The pavement's like a wave. When I bought the bike, we did a full exhaust. We did a Spark GP. You don't want to do that, homie. I'm gonna be completely honest. I totally forgot the name of my air filter, but I did an air filter. And the last thing is, of course, I got it flashed by SoCal Superbikes where I'm going right now. Is that an M8? M850? Oh, that's a big. I hope the check engine light being on does not like affect the dyno. I'm just messing around. Woo! Oh, I can slide the rear. Oh, it's because my ABS is off. That's why. Oh, that's sick.
good.
She looks healthy still?
Very healthy.
Because I beat the shit out of this bike.
I
take care of her.
Both my bikes are race bikes. You're not anywhere close to what we do.
Oh my God, I gotta come out here. You gotta show me what it's like then.
Come out to the racetrack.
Oh, you go to the track?
That's all I do.
Oh, okay. I only have proof of 182, right. But you think realistically?
Actually with 182, about 5 horsepower more. And I didn't let it heat soak, so
I don't know what that means.
Use that. When you run too many times, the engine just gets hotter and hotter and hotter, and it'll stop making power. The H2 I was telling you about.
So it's like brake fade almost, but for the engine.
Yeah.
We were back on the road after we left. We just sat there, busted up with Daniel and Roger. Awesome guys. What? Oh, that big ass fucking tow mirror. Is my... the stabilizer felt a little bit different. I just couldn't tell. Anyway, the bike hit 200 miles an hour. I've never personally hit 200 miles an hour on the bike. I literally saw the shadow coming and I was like, who the heck's about to hit me? Alright, come on. I'm done talking. Y'all can enjoy this footage. Okay? I thought that was a cop. I looked over and I was like, oh shit. My goodness! Roger, you sure you ain't put no MR12 in here? You ain't do nothing funny? You sure? I don't know, man. We made eye contact. That was awesome. Boom, 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 boom. Downhill with it? It's so cool because there's so much to this place and I know none of it. I know 2 highways, that's about it. I know the 5, I know the 210, and I know 55. And like most of them are junk. Give me a gas station. Not Arco, bro. Oh, yeah, there's a gas station. Is my stabilization, like, are you stiffer? Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? Whatever, I'm not against it. I kind of like whatever setting it was. Dude, what the fuck? I'm like, how long is this light gonna be? How can I just like mosey my way up? Okay, thank you. That worked out perfect. What the fudge? Oh no, they didn't crash into the pole. I was like, geez. Oh, there's an HOV. Oh, fuck yeah, you got my name all over it. That's a lot of traffic. Oh no, we're good.